Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing this look right here. I've kind of gone for a very full eye look today. I've kind of gone for a halo cut crease. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look on my face, then just keep on watching. Okay, so to start the look off, we're going to be using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill little palette here. And this one is the Armed and Dangerous palette. So it just looks... if I can open it. It just looks like that. And as you can tell, it just screams autumn to me. So yeah, we're going to be doing a look using this. So to start off with, I'm going to go in with the yellowy orange shade right here. It's called Access Agent Together, this darker orange shade, and just mix those two together. That's nice. I do like that colour. And then I'm going to go in with and mix these two shades here, and it is Smooth Criminal, Smooth Criminal, and what was that one? Secure. So mixing those two and just popping those two in my crease. And I know there was a lot of controversy about these palettes, about the whole vault actually, and I actually bought the whole vault, and I've got to say, like, this one's probably my favourite. All the other ones are, I mean, they're okay. I mean, some, I kind of do agree with the whole swatching issue and that some swatch better than others. So I think this one's definitely my favourite eyeshadow palette, just because I do feel like the pigmentation is here. And as you can see, I'm dragging that all the way into my inner corner there and all the way out, just because I'm going to be doing, what I'm going to be trying to do, I want to do like a halo cut crease. So that's what I'm going to try and do today. But you know, I'm not a professional makeup artist. Now I'm going to use that green shade here, which is called Top Secret. And I'm going to try and also blend that into the crease as well. So I really wanted to incorporate this kind of khaki green colour. And as you can see, I want most of the pigmentation of that green colour on the outer and inner part of the eye. Then I'm just going to go back in with my fluffy brush with no added eyeshadow and just kind of buff it. Make sure the edges are kind of blended nicely together. So what I'm going to do next is put some concealer on the centre of my eyelid and kind of cut the centre of it out. Then I'm just going to do my little trick and just open my eyes as wide as they go, and you can kind of see where the crease then is. And then I'm going to use the colour Guilt Trip there and pop that on my lid. However, I've left the centre of the lid blank, and what I want to see if this works, I'm going to just use my highlighter and kind of pop that in the centre. And make sure I blend both shadows together. So, and then I'm going to go back in with my green shade, the Top Secret shade. Go back in with my brush and kind of using little movements, or small movements, and buffing out the edges so that they blend together nicely. And I'm just going back over with the highlighter. And kind of replacing anything that I may have lost in that blending process. And I'm just going to do the same to the other eye and then I'll be right back. So as you can see, I've done both eyeshadows now, and I've just put a bit of eyeliner just where I'm going to apply my lashes, just to, you know, so it hides the lash band. And then I'm going to go in with some mascara. I'm going in with a Maybelline, the Colossal Volume Express mascara. And for lashes, I'm using the Doll Beauty Doll Lashes here in the shade Jasmine. So they are very fluttery. So once I'm waiting for my lash glue to kind of get tacky, I'm going to apply my primer, ready to do my foundation. And I'm going to be using a Too Faced Hangover primer here. And just put a little bit of that on. And that's how the eyes look now with lashes. So now, yeah, it's just time to do the face. And to do the face, I am going to be going in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation here. And it is in the shade Swan. So now that the foundation is done, I'm going to go with cream contouring, and I've been really loving my iconic London cream contour kit. So I'm just going to go in with that and use the middle shade here just to carve out my cheekbones and put a bit of colour to my face. Now going in with concealer, I'm just gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and apply that to under the eyes. Chin, Cupid's bow, and also the nose and the forehead. And then I'm just going to go and use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I'm just setting my under eyes with my sponge. Oh, what I tend to do is just kind of set everywhere where I know I'm going to crease. So around the mouth is a big one, because I always seem to crease there. So the look's starting to come together now. We just need to apply a bit of colour to our face. And to do that, I'm going to be using my Becca Gradient Sunlight Bronzer in the shade Sunrise Waves. So now we are looking sufficiently more bronzed. I am now going to contour using my Anastasia contour kit. And then I'm just going to do a bit of nose contouring. I don't tend to go too overboard with the nose contour, just to give it a little bit of structure. I'm going to bake underneath my contour. Just makes it that much more sharper and intense. We just let that do its thing, and while we are waiting, I'm gonna go in with my blush, and for blush I'm using the Wet n Wild Apricot in the Middle blush. And I'm just gonna get rid of this. Then I'm gonna apply some Fix Plus before I do my highlight, just so the highlight has something to grip onto. It makes it just that little bit more. And the highlight, like I said, I'm going to be using the Anastasia and Emery highlighter. I mean, do you just see how pretty that is? So nice. And you know, I kind of just, I like to glow, so I kind of just put it everywhere. So that's pretty much the skin now finished. We're going to go and move on to eyes now. And to start off with, I'm going to do some bottom lash liner. And to do that, I'm going to be using my NYX Slide On Glide On liner in the shade Brown. And to blend that out, I'm going to be using the first two transition shades that I used, which was Access and Agent, these two, just to buff that out. Then I'm going to go in with Secure and Smooth Criminal and mix those two together just to give it some more depth and just more smokiness. And I might just mix that Smooth Criminal with a bit of that Top Secret, just a little bit of it. See what we get. And now I'm just going to use my highlighter and pop it in at the inner corners here. And then the last step to finish the eyes completely is to put some bottom lash mascara on. Because there's quite a lot going on with the eyes today, I'm just going to go in with a standard nude lipstick or gloss, just so it keeps the attention towards the eyes, because that's mainly where I want it to stay. And you know, I put a lot of effort on the eyes and I want them to stand out. So I'm going to go in with my MAC Subculture lip liner. And I'm going to go in with two liquid lipsticks, both Dose of Colours. The first one I'm going to go in with is Supernatural, and then to top it off I'm going to go on with Sand. And then I'm just going to dab a bit of sand in the middle of that. Now you could just leave it matte, but personally I prefer a gloss, so I'm just going to dab a little bit of my Kylie Cosmetics So Cute gloss. And that, guys, is the finished look right here. If you enjoyed this look, please feel free to, I mean, if you like, give me a thumbs up, a comment, subscribe if you want to see a bit more of me. That'd be, you know, that'd be good as well, I guess. Until next time, guys. Bye!